there's a silent epidemic that's going on in many communities, and that is there are witches and warlocks that are flying literally under the radar because they're old folks. And people underestimate their witchery. People underestimate the amount of sorcery that they conjure up. Many spend the majority of their time figuring out how, before they croak, how they can further topple whatever remaining family members are there. And so when you're someone, and you actually are a seer, when you are someone that you can pick up on this person's ulterior motives, they're going to target you. But with them targeting you, they've already targeted themselves. So I'm sharing this because many of you are beginning to see some of those that have operated in the shadows. They're being exposed in so many different ways, and some are not being exposed in the traditional sense of exposure. Many of them are beginning to have health ailments. Many of them are beginning to really experience some massive changes in their life for the worse, because they thought that they can get away with doing all manners of evil under the guise of being kind, under the guise of being pillars of society, when actually they were the main manipulators. They were the main saboteurs. And many of them are so devious and evil. I mean, they literally have one foot in the grave and one on a banana peel, but they are willing to completely destroy their lineage because they're destroyed. Like literally self-destructing. So I share this with you in faith and knowing that this is going to free some of you, because you may have picked up on certain things from certain people, and you may have just tried to pass it off like, no, it can't be. This is an elder. Some of them are the main ones that are agents of chaos, and they thrive off of victimization. They thrive off of operating in the shadows. But what happens in the shadows definitely has to come to light, and it comes to light when they come up against a child of God.